Here I've got Huawei Honor 9X, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first we have to open the browser that we are using. In my case it's Google Chrome, right here. Now tap on the More icon, it's 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and then select History, it's right here. Now go to Clear Browsing Data, and you have basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And then under advanced you have few more, which are saved passwords, autofill from data, and also site settings. And the last step that you have to perform is to select the time range. Just tap here and pick if you would like to remove history from last day, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or maybe all time. And this is what I will pick. I would like to remove everything, and once everything is set up and marked, just tap on Clear Data. And that's it. As you can see, you've got no longer history or any other data here, and you can set it up from scratch. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.